After hitting its descending structure resistance, Bitcoin is heading all the way back down to its previous buy signal. We've been seeing a lot of great signals lately, and I want to share with you what I'm seeing. So stay tuned to the end of the video, and before we even get started, I want to let you know we have our spring sale going on for about 2 weeks here. You can get up to $450 off today on through next week. I'll give you more information about that later in this video, but for now, let's jump into the Bitcoin analysis. I'm going to run you through the Bitcoin metrics really quickly, but I want to get to the live charts as soon as possible. So right now we're seeing Bitcoin Emotional Index. We are in excited territory, and most often this will result in moves down, as we're already seeing. This tells me, at least for now, we are likely to continue heading downwards. Next up is the Bitcoin Volatility Breakout Detector, and volatility is actually rising in the market as this continues to play out. However, I am seeing a descending triangle pattern, and if that is the case, the volatility is likely to diminish, so stay tuned for that. Next up is the Bitcoin Whale Smart Money metric. Whales are more likely to short trade the market as indicated by this price move down. I'm sorry, not indicated, but correlated with this price move down. More than likely, as we continue this move down, whales will be switching quickly between long trades here and short trades here. Next up is the major Bitcoin support and resistance. We last saw structure resistance at $31,050. However, we got rejected just before that, right at about $30,000, and are on our way back down now. I do not think we're going to reach structure support at $25,288 anytime soon. In fact, we may not see this price ever again, especially if we head into the bull market. It may be very difficult to reach $25,000 again. Next up is the Bitcoin long versus short trades chart. There's not been a lot of movement one way or the other. Long trades and short trades have plateaued here, so this is going to stay within smaller movements. Last but not least is the Bitcoin daily trade scanner, and we are seeing beautiful signals. You can see the strong buy here with a correlated move up. We did get a strong sell signal, but what we're learning is a lot of these strong sell signals will result in short squeezes, so you're going to have to pay attention to that. I'll show you how to use our indicators in order to catch these strong sell short squeezes in the later part of this video, so stay tuned. We are seeing good sell signals, and there are some strong sell signals that will correlate to moves down. As I said, we will be teaching you how to read that, but for now, we just got a buy signal that resulted in a move up. Crazy good calls from the daily trade scanner. If you want to get access to all of these metrics and more, you can find our membership at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the membership is the second link. Go ahead and click that. If you're an active trader, I highly recommend the full access for $59 a month. It includes scalping, trade calls, future forecast, and metrics across all 20 coins, as well as many more benefits. Just go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we hope to trade with you soon. Here we are on the live charts. Before we really get into the analysis, I want to let you know there is a $450 coupon in it for you if you stick till the end of the video, so be sure to stay tuned. For now, let's check out where we think Bitcoin's heading next. You'll see here this chart. This is the TC top and bottom finder. This is actually the daily trade scanner in the metrics, but this version gives you the live charts. This indicator will see amazing strong buy and buy signals. If we scroll back here, you'll see really solid buy signals with correlated moves up. This is perfect for long traders. On top of this, you'll see sell signals, which are great for short traders as well. Boom, move down, boom, move down. Over and over again, we see this happen. Now, it's not 100% accurate. No indicator can be, but we've found that you can actually use the TC top and bottom finder in combination with the price versus while money flow, trend exhaustion, and trend dashboard to really catch when short squeezes like this are going to happen. Namely, if you see a strong sell signal and the price versus while money flow just continues pushing money into the market, it means whales are trying to stop out anybody that is within this range that is trying to short trade. If whales manage to get above a certain price, all short trades will be liquidated, and it absolutely forces the price upwards. It's insane how quickly it can happen. So you need to be watching whale money, and the price versus while money flow will help you do that. If the green line is moving down as it is now, it means whales are moving money out of the market. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too, so it is actively correlating to a price move down. Now, the trend exhaustion is the indicator you need to be using in order to track momentum of trends. You can see here, right when we got a strong sell signal, at the same time, the trend exhaustion was high, the price versus while money flow was high. This means that whales had overbought. It means that this uptrend was exhausted because the trend exhaustion was in its top red territory. And from there, the price dropped, whale money moved out of the market, and the trend began moving downwards until, of course, we got to this bottom where we got a buy signal, price versus while money flow was low, and the trend was oversold. Whales had sold more than they needed. The trend was oversold, and we began seeing a move back up. And look at this. Trend exhaustion is overbought. This move up happened. We hit a structure resistance and have begun moving down, showing that the trend indeed was overbought, and we are now on our way back down. With this in mind, with price versus while money flow trending down, with trend exhaustion at its top, we are looking for those moves back down to this structure support to continue this descending triangle pattern. If we want to get an exact reading, I'm expecting a move down to about the $27,000 range. This will be par for the course with how Bitcoin has been behaving recently, and it just really matches perfectly with the price versus while money flow, trend exhaustion, TC top and bottom finder, and even the trend dashboard. The main indicators that most retailers use, the RSI, the stochastic, and the MACD, are bearish as well. 50, 100, and 200 moving averages are bullish, which is really good to see. This shows me that there's not going to be a ton of bearish movement, just a little bit of drop, again to the $27,000 range. We'll have to reevaluate from there, but personally, I'm just expecting a move back up again to structure resistance, and we'll have to use the indicators here. I'll show you how to do that on Wednesday. That's the next Bitcoin video, is Wednesday. I'll have to show you exactly how to use these indicators to test for a breakout. Now, I told you could get up to $450 off these indicators right now, and here's how. Again, I want everyone to check out the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more. The indicators will be the second link right here. Click this to get your $450 discount. It's the spring sale where you get $450 off all indicators. With over 4,000 downloads and counting, you know you're getting the best possible deal. All you got to do is purchase the bundle pack first using code SPRING50. This will give you $50 off the bundle pack. You just click the checkout link and follow the prompts through there. The indicator bundle pack includes the trend exhaustion, price versus while money flow, and trend dashboard you saw me use. It'll also include a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder, which means you can get all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators for even lower than just this one alone. If you do want to buy the TC top and bottom finder by itself, be sure to use SPRING300 in order to get $300 off that. No matter what you purchase, it's lifetime access for a one-time payment. With over 1,200 downloads, with over 3,900 downloads on that bundle pack, these indicators are crushing it. This person made $950 in one day, $4,300 in just a week, $2,100 in 3 days. Our traders are absolutely crushing it, so if you want to get access, again, links in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.